Question number 13a. We need to find midpoint. So 0 plus 10 upon 2, 7 minus 1 upon 2. 10 upon 2 is 5 and 6 upon 2 is 3. The length of PQ under root n. So this is very simple. Obviously, you don't have anything outside the bracket. So just you need to write down whatever there is in the bracket of the formula. So y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, right? So what we need to do is y2 is minus 1 minus 7 whole square plus 10 minus 0 whole square under root minus 8 whole square plus 10 square under root. So this is 64 plus what, 100 under root. So the answer is 164 under root. So this should be 164 since I need to give the answer of n. So n is 164, whereas 5 comma 3 will be for answer of what? A.